Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Thanks for joining the session. And this video, we are going to discuss about the weekly Google Sheet, that how many stocks which given you the such opportunity for a short-term positional, and monthly sheet also we are going to discuss about. Almost we are reaching to 15th of this month, and how many stock which triggers our target, and how many stock which triggers our stop loss, that we are going to discuss in this video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly press the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon to get the notification whenever we made a live session. So let me move on to this video. This is what a tool which we are finding out the stock opportunities, where the stock opportunity which present based on the advanced options trading concepts, that we are simply using the price to find out the trade. And we have two concepts, which is one is the monthly and another one is the weekly positional. And those who are already using the sheet, you are going to get one more opportunity, the additional testing tool, which I'm going to do it on this sheet itself. Maybe in next week we can expect that with the help of that sheet, and we can find out the earlier entry, simply finding out the trade opportunities even lesser than our normal entry point that we are currently following. So what we are doing around entry point, our entry point which we are tracking for that. Once the entry point is reached, then we are going to plan for a breakout trade. So once we are finding out such a kind of trade, that will help us to take a trade opportunities intraday and positional. So those who are finished my sessions and they know well how to use it. And today, look at this monthly, almost 15th of this month. So as of now, as per our concept, more than 17 stocks in a call side triggers our target. Well, last week, that is the current week, the Monday to Friday, the second week of July, it not giving you such a big movement, even though we have got some almost 17 targeted trades, and we find out in a put side is around 4 trades, almost 21 to 23 stock which triggers our target. And the stop loss trade, we have taken three stop losses. And one is the HDFC, NTPC, and TakeM. But TakeM, which given you the stop loss, and again it given the target second time re-entry, that gives you the target. And well, if you are using hedging strategies at this point, maybe the chances you may not be losing on this particular trade. So look at this. Today we have two more opportunities. This week we are waiting for a lot of trades to keep, but not triggered. And yesterday also many stocks which triggered by the first 15 minutes, we are ignored it. And finally we got it today. Some stocks on weekly basis and monthly also. Weekly we find out NMDC, sorry, National Aluminium, Infosys, and TCS, all three stocks. But after our live session ends, normally we are doing the live session for the support of my student. We are conducting the live session to 9:10 to around the first 1 hour, 10 o'clock, which we are doing up to. But we are planning to increase the time also. But I need your support. And if you are giving your full support, we can continue that live session in a longer the time. And maybe even I'm just planning with the Camarilla levels, that is also working better and best. By using that Camarilla, we can try to plan for an intraday trade opportunity, that is also working. And these are all the stocks like RBL. Today it jumps a big move, and 185 call option we are holding. So longer the period, RBL Bank 185. That should be the trade I think you are taken. And today it given you such a big performance from 17 to 29. That is a one more trade which triggers. And National Aluminium, we find today around 530, 530, yeah, 535. And after that, the 490, 4.9 is our monthly breakout entry. That is also giving you such an opportunity. And after that, it given you such a big benefit. And finally, that triggers our target. So these are all opportunity which we are simply finding out with our Google Sheet. The sheet is helping you to find out a trade opportunities. Once the trade is triggered, we are going to simply make such an opportunity, and by real time. So today, the last 2 days having some issues with the data feeds, but no problem. So we are finding the opportunity before the trade which is breaks, because we know the entry point prior to that. Okay, so only the quality and liquidity, the stock, if you are focusing, there is a good opportunity. And NMDC long time it is struggling, and today morning on the same price is around 4.9. And S cards, we are tracking from the last week. but it was a low liquid, so we simply ignored it, and today it went up. Reliance already triggered our target, and now it is trading 108. And some of the stocks which given you the opportunity not give you the such a big movement. And sale, we find out 5.3, and monthly positional, one of my student who are holding a sale, and that was now doesn't profit, I think. In monthly positional sale, yeah, it is 5.1, and now it is trading around 6.2. So in a weekly, so I don't suggest you take all the trades to get benefit. Okay, so one or two trades maybe stop loss also, because it is a market. We have a stop phase to stop losses, and it's a positional trade. You have to understand the concept. If you are following a positional trading, that would be a better opportunity in stock options, because it's a longer the contract, and also having such a good opportunities to take a trade. And only liquid stock, if you are focusing the liquid stock, that is going to give you such a better and big opportunities, like only quality, like RBL Bank, Reliance. But Reliance, some people who have tried and initially they exited. Look at this, 96 is our entry point. So we have the concept of two sides. One is a call and another one is a put. Someone who are asking you how the sheet is working. So already we made some content how the sheet is working, that is available on the website. The link of that website, which is available on the description, you can go through it. And also we have launched our Android app. So for a learning purpose, that app link also available in the description. You can download the app and make use of it for the learning purpose. And we started to make some scanners in charting. That is also we are going to complete, and the courses which is available, the customized scanners creation, how to create a customized scanner. Polycap now it is 30%. Almost by using this advanced strategy, and by monthly basis, we have to 4 to 5 stocks is good enough. Weekly basis, 2 to 3 stocks is good enough. In this week, we don't get a many more stock, but even though we have some stock which is achieved our target, like some 7 to 8 stocks, not more. But intraday, weekly basis, we can go for an intraday or a short-term trade, like in the week itself. So that is also generate you some 20-30%. It is a big enough profit. Maybe this week is a very slow, I think you know well, but next week maybe the chances to get a profit. And if you are following the sheet, and this is what the weekly update, why I'm thus updating, so the same sheet will be not available for the next week. So the next week the sheet will be updated for newer opportunities. And even I am planning for new concept which is going to be announced, and will be updated in the sheet itself, and maybe tomorrow, the next week. So you will be getting benefited, and that will be giving you such a big opportunities for intraday. So maybe that you can track for this sheet. Those are already having. So if you want in the sheet, so the charges for the sheet is around 1,200, and you can access the sheet from your end for a monthly basis. And you can also use your strategies. It's not about only you have to use advanced strategies. So you can apply your own strategies too. I hope you understood about the concept, and I hope you enjoyed this video also. What are the trades and how we find out the trades, and the fresh breakouts. Even a live session, we are finding some opportunities, that how it works. And even we are finding some of the trades which is not triggered. We are tracking. Tata Power also we are tracking for a 12.3 to break. It's not given you. But before the breakout, we are finding the stock. And one more stock, Godrej consumer product. Sorry, Godrej properties, which we are waiting for a breakout in this first 1 hour. So after that, we got a lot of stocks given you the trigger. Those who are having the sheet, they may be finding the entry opportunities. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you want to learn the advanced option strategy, it is about a one-to-one, and the recording classes also available. If you wish, you can contact me the number which shown on this video, that is what WhatsApp, so you can connect me. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this, and we'll meet you tomorrow or next videos. Thank you so much. Want to join my live session? The link which I can provide you in the description. Thank you so much.